Good morning, students. Hope you are well and safe at home. Student, after 7 chapter 8, I will teach you later on. Now, we will discuss unit 2nd, that is the sports world. In this unit, we will discuss 3 topics: board games, sports champs of India, and sports. This is very interesting chapter. Let's move towards the chapter. Students, as you know, in pandemic situation, we cannot go outside to play. So, we enjoy playing games with our family and friends. Some games develop thinking skills and impart life skills also. Students, as you know that different types of people play different types of games in India. There are two types of games: indoor games and outdoor games. What are indoor games? Indoor games are those games which are played in a room by sitting there and in an open. Games like Ludo, playing cards, chess, carom, etc. Indoor games make develop our brain and mental power. Now moving towards our topic, board games. Chess. Chess is a board game for two players. It is played in a square board made of 64 smaller squares with 8 squares on each side. Student, what is the another name of chess? The another name of chess is Shatranj. Carom. Carom is a popular indoor game. It is played by 2 or 4 players against each other. Monopoly. Monopoly is a board game for 2 or 8 players. In the game, players roll two six-sided dice to move around the game board, buying and trading properties. Scrabble. Scrabble is a game that is played by 2, 3, or 4 people. It uses a board with squares on it and a large number of letters on small tiles. Now moving towards our next topic, that is sports champs of India. Let's talk about sports champs of India. Student, do you know about this person? Yes, Virat Kohli is an Indian cricketer and the current captain of the Indian national team. PV Sindhu is an Indian badminton player and the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal. Vishwanath Anand is an Indian chess grandmaster and former world chess champion. He became the first grandmaster from India in 1988. Sania Mirza is an Indian tennis player. She has won the 6 Grand Slam titles in her career. Major Dhyan Chand was an Indian hockey player. He was known for his extraordinary goal scoring feats. Mary Kom is the first Indian female boxer. She won a bronze medal at the 2012 Summer Olympics in London. Now I am talking about Geeta Fogart. She is an Indian freestyle wrestler. She won the first gold medal in wrestling for India at the Commonwealth Games in 2010. Students, as we discussed earlier, that games are of two types. Now we are talking about outdoor games. What are outdoor games? Outdoor games are those games which are played in a large area or in grounds. Games like volleyball, horse riding, cricket, football, etc. Outdoor games make health and fitness of our body. Now, our next topic is the sports. Sports are physical activities that people play for fun. It is quite beneficial for children too. By play sports, children develop physical skills, exercise, make new friends, have fun, learn to be a team member, improve self esteem, etc. Hockey is a national game of India. It is an outdoor game played by two opposing teams of 11 players. Football is most popular sports worldwide game in numbers, participants and spectators. It is an outdoor game. The game consists of two teams of 11 players. Now Kabaddi is a contact team sports played between two teams of 7 players each. This is the time for your activity. This activity you will do in rough copy. In this activity, 5 pictures are given there. You have to identify the name of the game in the given picture and write name of the games. Student, you have understood the chapter and enjoyed also. So learn and revise your chapter thoroughly. Thank you.